Are pineapples apples that grow on pine? How big is Bigfoot's foot?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hello! I'm Professor Wonders, and today I'm going fishing. So far, I haven't caught any fish, but let's see how I do. I've got one! Let's see how many more I can do. Blimey! I've caught a lot of fish. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've caught 5 fish. Blimey! Now I'm wondering, on what day did God create these awesome creatures? I hope all the answers that question. But for now, stand up and sing and dance to worship God with me.
To the sunshine, every seashell that I find, I remember God made everything. From the sky to the mountains, by your love I'm surrounded. I remember God made everything. God made me just the way I am. He made the sunny or pouring, I remember God made everything. From this life that I'm living to these hands that I'm lifting, I remember God made everything. God made me just the way I am. He made the whole world with his hands. God made me just the way I am, way I am, way I am. Oh, 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 oh. God made me just the way I am. Oh, 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 oh. God made me just the way I am. From my head to my toes, from my ears to my nose, He made it. He made it. Every fish on the sea, all the leaves on the trees. He made it. He made it. Come on, say from my head to my toes, from my ears to my nose. He made it. He made it. Yeah. Say every fish in the sea, all the leaves on the trees. He made it. He made it. God made me just the way I am. He made the whole world with his hands. God made me just the way I am, way I am, way I am. Oh, 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 oh. God made me just the way I am. Oh, 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 oh. God made me just the way I am.
Hey friend, it's Tolu. It's time to do the memory verse. I'll do it first. God saw everything He had made, and it was very good. Genesis 1:31. Now let's say the memory verse like we're shrinking.
Whoa! God saw everything He had made, and it was very good. Genesis 1:31. Great job. See you next time.
You know what time it is?
Time to hear a story full of wonder. There's so much fun we'll have
I'm Hayden. My clubhouse friends made a fun game for us to play, and I love playing games. Look at these giant bowling pins. There's a special picture on the bottom of each pin. I'm going to use this ball to knock down a pin. Then we can look at the picture on the bottom to see something God made. Let's give it a try. Count to 3 with me. 1, 2, 3, go! Look what's on this pin. Shout out if you know. Yes, God made fish. Wouldn't it be awesome to swim like a fish? Pretend to swim like a fish with me. Put your hands together. Now swim, little fishies. Let's try another one. Count to 3 with me. 1, 2, 3, go! Look at this. Shout it out if you know what it is. Yes, God made birds. Can you imagine how amazing it would be to fly like a bird? Flap your wings like this. Now say tweet, tweet. Great job. It's fun being a bird.
Who?
It's Ollie.
Hello, Hayden. Who? Do you want to be a feathery bird too?
Oh, hi, Ollie. It must be so fun to fly.
Birds are special. It's true. I know who made the birds and fish too. Listen to this story. Just follow me through. Who?
Follow me through, follow me through, who? Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
What is that beautiful sound, Stormy? Oh, hi friends. I'm Carrie the dog walker, and this is my best dog, Stormy Jane. Can you help us figure out what that sound is? Put your hand to your ear like this and listen with us. What do you hear? You're right. Those are birds. Do you like the sound of those birds, Stormy? Well, there are lots of birds in today's true story from the Bible. Are you ready for our story? If you're ready, can you tweet like a bird? Tweet, tweet. You sound ready to me. Okay, so we've been learning how God made everything. On day 1, God made light and dark. Then, on day 2, God made the sky above the water. On day 3, God made the land, plants, and sea. Then, on day 4, God made the sun, moon, and stars. God looked at everything He had made and saw that it was good. Can you say, it's good? Ready? It's good. God had already made so many creative, wonderful, beautiful things, but He wasn't done yet. God made even more. So on day 5, God said, let the water be filled with lots and lots of sea animals. Let's think. What kind of animals live in the water? When I count to 3, I want you to tell me one animal that lives in the water, okay? 1, 2, 3. That's right! God made sea turtles. God made seahorses. God made whales and sharks. God made fish, so many different kinds of fish. God made big fish and little fish in all colors and shapes. Do you know what kind of fish this is? It's a clownfish. Do you know what kind of fish this is? It's a rainbow fish. Do you know what kind of fish this is? It's a goldfish. Can you make a fish face with me? Ready? You all made such good fish faces. On day 5, God filled the sea with lots and lots of sea animals. And God made something for the sky too. Shout it out if you know what animal God made to fly in the sky. That's right. On day 5, God made birds. God made so many beautiful birds. Let's see if you know what color these birds are. What color is this bird? Yes, it's blue. God made birds that are blue. What color is this bird? Yep, it's pink. God made birds that are pink. And what color is this bird? This bird has lots of colors. God made all different kinds of birds. God made so many awesome fish to swim in the sea and so many beautiful birds to fly in the sky. When God made all the fish and birds, He saw that it was good. Can you say it's good? Ready? It's good. On day 5, God made fish and birds. Only God can do that. God is so creative and so powerful. God made everything. Oh, hey there, Ollie. Ollie, tell me, who made everything?
God made everything. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, who made everything?
God made everything. That's the truth, friends. See you next time. Bye.
So there's your story, and it's all true. God made the fish and birds and everything, all for me and you.
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Hoo, hoo.
Wow, God made the fish to swim in the sea and birds to fly in the sky. God made everything. I think I got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it?
Got it!
Good. I'm going to keep bowling to see all the things that God made. See you next time.
That's brilliant! On day 5, God said, "Let the water be filled with lots and lots of sea animals." God is so creative and so powerful. God made everything. Well, I've done enough wondering for today. Now it's your turn. What's your favorite sea animal that God created? Talk about that with your family, and I will see you next time on Professor Wonder Wonders. Ta-ta!